Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got recipe बनाइदियो. This is chicken feet to murgi laga tingna and beef innards guru laga nari or to lady's finger. I will mix and cook. This later I'll put this. So come, let's make. So ingredients though, tomato and onion, a little turmeric powder for color, and chili powder of course. Super duper ingredients is king chili. I grind dry king chili, 10 pieces of dry king chili. Okay, this will be so spicy. See my kid, very cute. Itu Bangalore ti papuli shit tikar na pai to asol do. Iman sal pra pisar last day ekta paise. Oh, so little only. Latest finger to ati din kati site round. This is latest finger, not a gentleman finger, okay? Bro, see my quality. Hi, my lunch is done. To kabode. Start pula sedih dito. Wow, so spicy. So spicy. So tasty but cold plus spicy. Wow. So tasty. Thank you everyone. Thank you for supporting. Please keep on supporting my channel. God bless you all. Bye.